candy. Ah. New socks. Tissues.
Just put everything back so you don't lose them. Okay?
I got candy. Two packs of candy. Yum, yum.
You got one more to open there and there. What is that?
A slab.
What? Let me see.
It's a slab.
Oh, there you go. Oh.
Who did that? I love my
Let me
slappy.
see.
This one's mine. I love you so much.
Oh.
Put it in the bag so I don't lose it. There you go.
That's yours. Oh,
I
what?
love a Lucy doll.
Let's see.
This one's mine.
Oh, is that cool? Oh, looks like you.
No, Daddy.
Now you look like a Lala Loopsy with curly cues. Curly hair.
What kind of you?
Nanny.
Don't put them on the
You
floor.
gotta.
The floors are dirty. Well, she got a pink one.
Oh, look.
Mine's a
at-
darker one.
How beautiful. What do you say?
Thank you.
Oh,
Thank
that
you.
was from your
Uncle Marky and
Uncle
Robbie.
Mark and Auntie Robbie. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Awesome.
How cute, huh?
That's Merry Christmas.
I got this one.
She got some.
Yours is light hair. Mine's
Oh,
dark
look at they
hair.
got cool pajamas. I love it.
I
How
got
cute.
this one.
Mm-hmm.
Maddie got this one.
Mm.
Very good.
You had your slot?